All right, Ford 960. We need to fix some stuff on it. We also have a few new parts to put on it. We bought it and we've been working on it, and we used it for tedding a little bit this summer. It really has a few issues that we're trying to work through. First, it had a bad radiator, and we put a new radiator in it, brand new, and a couple of months later the new radiator started spraying all over the place. So I need to take all the sheet metal off today in order to pull the radiator, because I have another one on the way. The supplier is sending me a new one supposedly at no cost, so I won't hold my breath, but looking forward to that. This is the radiator right here, so this is what we're going to be replacing. Okay, so we should be able to, yeah, see how much play this is? There is. We just need to get this bolt down here off. There we go. Only took me forever. All right. So now we can get to the radiator. Oh. There we go. Well, while that's draining, let's go back to the back. So the drawbar slides in here. This is for horizontal forces, but then there's a bracket here this tractor didn't have from the factory that's for vertical forces. Should fit here, and as we can see, it doesn't exactly. So I think we're there. So this is a tap. One of the ways you can use it is to ensure that if there's debris in there, it actually has a place to go, where a bolt, it doesn't. 1/4 inch. I wouldn't do this, you know, because there's gonna be leverage on one side, whereas the other handle was centered. I wouldn't do this if I was actually doing a full tap, but just to ensure that my holes are clean from debris and ready for the bolts. And I'm curious to see if there's anything back in those holes, i.e. how far can this go safely, and is 1 inch the right size? We're gonna find out. And see all that debris we got out? So that would have been stuck back in there and been pushed to the back to the next hole. So we're not gonna put these, you know, tight in yet. Just making sure that we can line up the holes and the bracket appropriately. Man, that's awfully long. I don't know if I like that. That's too long. Damn. That worked out perfectly. Okay, all right, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So there's that. Oh. There it is. Drawbar. Actually had to stock this down on eBay. These are pretty rare because of the crazy drop that is required for the row crop. So that's where this slides in. And then that pin falls out. This goes in there. And then we're gonna wiggle this around. There it is. Till it catches. Clip that in. And we have a drawbar, and it's a swinging drawbar. So you would use these holes to, like, say we went all the way over, you drop a bolt or a pin right there. I think that is it. I think it's 11/16. What do you think, Luna? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There we go. One bolt out. Not bolt, nut. Helps that I just did this like 4 months ago. There's the other one. Let's put this. And now we can really see, you know, the area that has caused me all this grief. You can see that there's a seam here that's open. You can feel it around your fingernail through it. Well, hopefully that new radiator comes soon. All right, well, I think that is going to conclude it for now. Sheet metal and radiator removal for a 4960. And also finishing up adding the drawbar on the back to a tractor that never came with that drawbar. So, all right, thank you.